Alright, good day, audience. Welcome to FaceToFace TV. Quick one concerning the Abia Electric Buses, the green shuttle that the government of Governor Lesotho has put in place. All this where people have been enjoying it free of charge. It has been running around, we've been seeing them, interstate and intrastate, and people have been applauding, the services of that particular innovation. Within the last few days, the governor made a mention of a very little fare on that particular shuttle, and people have not really fully grasped what the governor exactly said, and that is why we are here to help make the clarification. Okay, just day before yesterday, the Commissioner for Transportation, Honorable Prince, was able to make certain clarifications about how the buses will operate and what everybody needs to do about them. So, about Umuahia, the bus will charge 800 naira. Umuahia to Ahafia, it will charge 1,000 naira. Outside these two routes, there are some other town services, that's what we call it, within Umuahia and Aba. In Aba, the bus will fly through, park through Osisioma, that's Abogre Road. It will also fly through, park to Aloji, Port Harcourt Road. It will also fly through park to Obohir, that's Obom Aziz. It will also fly through Osisioma down to flyover, that is express. Okay, and wherever you are stopping, it will charge 150 naira only. Then in Umuahia, it will fly through Isigate to Obakala. It will also fly through Isigate to Tower. It will also fly through Isigate to Secretariat. I think this one workers will definitely like it so much, the one that will be going to Secretariat, and wherever you may also stop in Umuahia, it will only charge 150 naira only. And the governor was so emphatic that the fares will not be paid with cash. You must have to obtain a smart card that will enable you, clock it on the bus, and you'll be able to make your payment so easily. And that is with a card that is called Abia Connect. People are also confused on how to get this particular card. It is very, very simple and easy. From what the Honorable Commissioner explained and from what has been demonstrated, it is easy. All you need to do is to, go to the website of AppSyn, generate your AppSyn number, then you can now be able to use it to get this particular card. If you cannot be able to do it by yourself, there are designated points where you can go and get it within Aba and Umuahia location. You can go to Area Junction. There are agents who are there who will help you, generate your AppSyn and help you get this particular card. You can also get it at Tonimas, Osisioma Flyover, MCC, Port Harcourt Road, Aba First stop. That is the one around Cemetery. You can also get it at the flyover. That's Aloji. You can get it at Eben Park, Abreba Junction, Akara Junction, and Uzuakoli. So it is very, very simple. Those agents there will help you, and mind you, you do not pay any fee for that. All you need to do is just they will help you get this card. And how does it work when you've gotten this card? You now subscribe the card. For instance, if you want to put 2,000 naira, you put 2,000 naira. If you want to be running the town service, wherever you clock it, it will deduct 150 naira and also leave your 1,850 naira in your account. Let's assume you want to fly to Umuahia from Aba. Once you clock it, it will deduct 800 naira and also leave 1,050 naira for you until it finishes. If you can also top up, but when you have not used it, it doesn't expire. It stays with you till you can be able to make use of it. I want to commend the Abia State government for this particular innovation. Though people have been saying it should have been subsidized more, maybe about 500 naira or thereabout. But where I'm looking at is it is a very good innovation to discourage revenue leakage. And it is a very nice one, especially this time that the state government is building terminals in Umuahia and Aba. When this is being demonstrated and it works perfectly, it will become a very better platform to collect revenues in the transport sector. Thank you so very much, and God bless you. This is FaceToFace TV.
Face to face, now they read my eyes. We talk with the young things for the